everyone and welcome back to our channel. So in today's video I'm gonna do a Zara unboxing. The package just came in an hour ago while I was working in our garden. And if you guys are interested to see what I got from here from Zara, please keep on watching. I am here with Adam today because he's always with me doing unboxing. He's actually writing on the don't write on me, he's poking me. I was gonna use it for opening the box. So you know, Adam is always with me, so bear with me, guys. Yes. Okay, I need to move a little bit. He is excited because, as you all know, Adam is obsessed with boxes. And yeah, so he wants me to open this box like since it arrived and I was working in our garden. So, pochke. So like always, it is packed like this and he's excited. So I'm gonna remove the items from the inside. Let's start. I have here, I think this is for Adam, Zara. This is for Adam. This is 3 to 4 years old. Mommy. And these are in one pack. There are 3 sets of t-shirt, I guess. Yeah, these are t-shirt for Adam. So this is number 1. It's a toucan, I think. I'm not sure if it's a toucan. And item number 2 is just basic t-shirt, and then light orange t-shirt, you know, because it's getting warmer weather here now, so he needs those. And then I got Adam this one. I bought it separately. This is not in set, so I got this one. This is a sleeveless top. It says free sole trimming big. So that, and then where else? I know I got like, yeah, so this one is also first for Adam, yeah. And then another sleeveless top for Adam. 3 to 4 years old size is just this one because it's hot weather here now. And then I got Adam, where else? Yeah. Oh, you broke it. I got Adam this one. This is also for him. Yes, this is. And this is in one pack is 3 sets of sleeveless top. So one is on white. The other is teal. And the other one is blue. And then I got Adam boxers, 3 to 4 years old as well. In one pack there are 3 boxers because he needs. The one that I bought from H&M are so bad because it broke. Like literally, I followed the instruction of washing. So yeah, it broke like literally everywhere on the stretchy part here. It broke. Like, what a waste. And so this is the first one, this is the second one, and the third one is so cute because look at that. It's the palm tree over here. It's so cute. And then I got him this one is briefs. And these are in one pack are 6 items inside, and I'm hoping that Zara has better quality. Anyway, so this is the first one. The second one is iguana, I think. The third is just plain white. The other is giraffe. The other is mint green, and the other one is sky blue. So those are for Adam. Let me put it away. I don't really know what is that. And I also got Adam leggings. Just one legging, and this is this is 139 crowns, so times 2 in peso. Just leggings, and then this jogger just in case we will be going somewhere like somewhere far and he needs some decent pants. So I got him this because he already have like shorts. Remember, if you watched my haul video last time, I will also put some link somewhere on the top so you guys can see. So yeah, Adam already have shorts. I'm not sure if that's, I think that's from H&M or Zara. I think Zara. Anyway, so move on. Those are the things that I got for Adam. So Adam are done. So I got this one. This is for Zoe. Move up with Zoe. These are underpants because Zoe is complaining to me that her underwear is starting to be ruined. So in one pack there are 6 underpants that I need to wash right away. So I got this plain one and then a floral one right here, orange, no, baby pink, teal one, another floral, and a plain white. So those are for Zoe. And oh my goodness, it's so hot. I'm wearing the dress that I also unboxed like last time when I had a Zara unboxing. Yeah, so I got Zoe this. Wait, I thought it's broken. It's just a sticker stick in it. Let me just remove it. Yeah, I will remove it later. So yeah, this one, and I like that style here. So just this, I think it's crop top. I'm not sure if it's crop top, but yeah, this is for 7 years old. So there's one top. And remember, I got her the blue. I will put a picture over here, the blue stripe one. I got her the yellow one as well because yellow is also her favorite color. I also put on the cart the pink one, but it got sold before I can pay for it. So yeah, so she got the blue one and the yellow one. The pink one, too bad it got sold. So I got that one. So I got this one for Zoe. Yeah, she's skinny, so these things are just gonna fit like really nice to her. And this is crop top, as you guys can see that. Another is yeah. Oh, I didn't know I ordered this. Wait, did I order this? Lavender. Just a basic t-shirt. And then this one. This says California. This is just a faded black and t-shirt and nothing on the back. And then I also got her a dress. It was supposed to be for her school pictorial, which happened yesterday, but the delivery got a little bit delayed, so it arrived today. So she will not be able to use this for school pictorial, but she will be using it anyway because this is the dress. It has it's connected, so it's not like removable. It's just like a t-shirt and then the dress inside like this. It's good because it's good for summer, and we might go on vacation to Croatia on July. I'm not sure if it's a go yet because my husband hasn't tell me our plan yet, but we plan on going to Croatia on July. And yeah, so she can use this. It's really nice. It's so flowy. It was supposed to be for school pictorial, but she used different dress, also from Zara, I think. So yeah, it has like t-shirt like that. So that's the one. She's gonna love that. Oops. Adam, please don't sit on mommy's clothes. Okay, and that's about it. And I got my things as well. First is this, because we are really, if we, you know, like if we have a go to go on the holiday on to Croatia this July, I made sure I have this. This is a towel, like, you know, like a towel, and it has a handbag. So you know, like when you go to the beach, because we're gonna go to the beach area So it has like this, and then the towel is this one, so you can basically stick anything there. And yeah, so this is that strap, and this is the towel. It's a big one, it's a medium size towel of Zara. So I'm gonna put it back right here. I got it for you know, if you want to go to the beach, just that with the towel you can just strap it in your body, and you know, like, you don't have to mind it. And this is for 599 crowns. So for myself, I got myself a t-shirt. This is in pink. I actually like the other one. I had it in the cart already, but it got sold out the minute I wanted to pay. So it was like more like a dark pink. This is more like a light pink, and it was Bambi print. And this one is this light pink, but I like it as well. It's light. And yeah, so you know me and the collaboration print. So yeah, I like this one, just a plain pink on the back. So that's it for me. And then I got also pink pants, a jogger, and this is Barbie and Zara. This is a Barbie collection, and collaborated with Zara. So I got this trouser with this, and it has pockets, so I like it. You know me, when I go somewhere and I'm lazy to put on jeans, I always just go with trouser. So this is for me, pink. I got it for 699 crowns, so times 2 in peso. See, it's like this, like Barbie. I didn't get the top because I don't need that, it's hot. I can just like put anything basically with that. And you know me, I'm jolog, so I always just like match my clothes. And then anyway, so I got 2 dresses. One of these is a little bit pricey for a dress, that if I will buy a dress, it's kind of expensive for me. This one costs 1,299 crowns, so times 2 in peso. And I kind of save money for these dresses. Anyway, so I got this one. This is the dress that I'm talking about. I'm pretty sure some of you already seen it on Zara. Oh my god, I like it. It has pocket, dress with pocket. Oh, 2 pockets. And it's like this. Yes, it's so soft, you guys. This, and it's I'm not sure if it's a midi or a maxi dress. I think it's a midi dress. So yeah, I got this. I'm so happy because the material is really soft and nice. I have to take care of this. I hope I don't gain much more weight. Anyway, so I got it plus 2 packets. That's additional, a good one. So yeah, this is the first dress. Expensive, but the material is good, so soft. I like it. I'm gonna show you guys. You will probably see me using this soon. And then the next one is in this print. This is also a dress, and this one is a lot cheaper than that. Not a lot cheaper, like cheaper than that one. This is 799 crowns. I'm worried about the strap though, because it's thin, and you know me, Adam, always I carry sometimes Adam. But this is a midi dress as well, but I like the print. Ang lakas maka-white ng skin. Diba? Anyway, I like it. It's not like a sexy dress, a fitted dress. This is more like a flowy type of dress, especially on the bottom. I don't like any fitted dress anymore because it just feel like I'm being choked. I don't like tight. So yeah, this is the one. It has also for tying in the front. So this is the strap, and this you can tie it here. So yes, I love it. I'm in love with this dress. The material is also good. That is everything, you guys. Thank you for watching this video, and I really hope that you guys enjoy my unboxing, my Zara unboxing. And if you do, please do give us a like and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye.